Alright, so in our previous video, we've set up Google authentication in order to log in and sign up with Google. We did a minor change. We changed our domain from .website to .ai, okay? I had to do this in order for Google to work because it couldn't recognize the .website domain. So don't get confused if you see this is set up to .ai as compared to my previous video. Alright, so next thing we need to do is go to Auth embeds. So we have a head script that we could add to the pages on our website. And here, these are links we could connect to the buttons and links on our Framer website. So I have a remix link. I have a starter project that I'll be sharing with you. So this starter project doesn't have any of the links connected, okay? So you need to work with me on this project. This is a good way for you to practice. So remix this starter project and follow along, okay? This is based on the Boost template, but I've made multiple changes. I've set up multiple pages for you. We have a dashboard. We have free, starter, pro pages. We have an upgrade page for each plan. And I've left the Boost pages, I just call them /Boost, in case you want to use this template as a starter for your website, for your live website. So in this case, you could still make use of these, okay? So I didn't want to delete them, all right? This is based on Boost, but I've did my changes, okay? One thing to mention, this remix link has my affiliate ID. So if you remix it and later on you upgrade to a paid plan, I will be paid a commission. This will help my YouTube channel. It will help me keep doing free content. I just wanted to be transparent about this. All right, so first thing we need to do is to set up the custom code that will show up on all our pages. For this, we need to click settings, okay? Make sure we're not on a specific page, so go to general, okay? You see, this is still Boost Framer. I'll probably change it later on. And go to custom code. So this one will show up in the start of your head tag, okay? If you cannot access this, it means you need to upgrade to a plan. Just simply upgrade to a plan on Framer and you will be able to access the custom code. So again, go to Outseta. This is our head script. Click copy, okay? Now back to Framer, paste it in here, but there is one minor change that we need to do in order to make Outseta work with Framer. So after outseta.com in here, add a comma, okay? Click enter, monitor DOM, okay? Monitor DOM, semicolon, and true, okay? So this is the only change that you need to do in order to make sure Outseta works with Framer. So don't forget this comma and monitor DOM true, all right? So click save. Don't forget to click save in here and go back to our Framer website. I'll go to the home page. Now let's go back to Outseta. You see we have pop-up links. For this tutorial, we will be using pop-up links. You could use page embeds, okay? So these embeds can be added as parts of your page, but I will not be covering it in this tutorial. I might be in the future. For now, I think the pop-up links are easier to set up, and I think they look perfectly fine. So let's go with the pop-up links. First link you need to copy is the sign up link. Click copy. Go back to the starter website. Double click our top bar. This is our header. To go into the component view. Okay. I kept all the headers for you in case you want to use another color. So go to the primary. Okay. Always make your changes on the primary variant so they could be applied to all other variants. If you do it just on this black desktop dark, it's not gonna apply to the others. So go to primary. Sorry, we go in here. As you can see, I've set up the logged out, these 3 links, and the logged in links. Now with Outseta, I'm hiding these if the user is logged out. You don't need to worry about this. I've set up code overrides for this, as you can see. Okay. So our sign up link is gonna be used for our get access button. Okay. Okay, let's click get access. In this case, since this button is a component, the link is not on the top, it's located in here. So click on link and add your link. Okay. Now we've added our sign up link in here. Let's go back to Outseta, copy our login link. Okay. Framer, login, and for this, our link is located on the top. Since this is not a component, click here, add your link, and let's see what else do we have. We have our profile link. So this is for the logged in users. This is, in our case, I've set up this nice button for the profile. So click it in here. Again, in this case, it's a component button. So the link is in here. Click it. Add your link. Don't worry if it's got hidden, because Outseta also has their own logic to hide and show stuff based on the login status. But I've also added code overrides in order to handle this like properly. We've set it up now. Let's see what other link we need to set up. We have our logout link. Okay. So for this logout link, by default, you see this slash is gonna take us back to the home page once we log out. If you add any other link to any other page and append this logout link, okay, it will redirect you to that specific page after logout. In our case, we'll just log out and go to the home page, but it might be useful for your use case. Click logout, link to, and add your logout link in here. Oops, sorry. Again, in here. Okay, and we don't want it to open in a new tab. Okay, so now we've set up all of these. As you can see, I have a dashboard link in here. I've already linked it to a page called dashboard, right? So let's go to our home page. You see, these are Boost templates. We're not using them. I just kept them for you. But these are the pages we have. Home, dashboard, Free Starter Pro, these are protected content, and Upgrade Free Starter Pro, these are access denied upgrade plan kind of pages. Okay, so let's see what we've got now. Click update, and let's open our link. All right, so let's give it a try. Let's click login. As you can see, we already have the login pop-up. You see we have sign in with Google, forget password. Okay, let's click get access. You see the plans that we've set up: Free Starter Pro, yearly, monthly. You could choose a plan and then sign up. It's looking nice. Now if you click pricing, I've made it go down to the pricing section, also view plans. Later on, we'll set up these. These are still not set up, okay? But yeah, this is good for now. We've connected these. So let's continue in the next video.